Hello, creatives. Miss Nikki here from Studio CIA, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a super cute koala in just a few easy, simple steps. I've got my pencil outline already ready, and I'm going to show you how to draw it step by step with my marker to make it that much easier. We start with the big oval shape of the head. I like to give my animals some fuzzy and quirky hairdos, so in my oval, I do a zigzag on top to give it some fluffy, furry hair. And then we're going to add the same zigzags around the ears. If you need to do it smooth first and then go back over it with a zigzag, that is perfectly okay. In fact, that is how I do it because otherwise they kind of end up wonky. We're going to do like a letter D and a backwards letter D inside of the ears. Koalas have a nice big nose, dark black, and that. You could give it a smiley mouth, or you can have the connected mouth more realistic. It's kind of up to you if you want to go more cartoon or more real. I like to just kind of do a neutral mouth. Give it some eyeballs. I am a fan of the Beanie Babies with their really big eyeballs, so I draw big eyes on my animals. You could do any shape, they don't have to be round. Do more of an anime style eye, you could do more of a archway eye, you can do more of a realistic human eye. Then we just need to add his body and his arms. For the body, I do zigzags going down, getting slightly wider. I mean, he is a koala. He's going to have kind of a chunky body. And his arms the same, just kind of sitting by the side of his body there. And you've got an adorable little koala. You can even add eyebrows to give him more personality. Or you could add eyelashes, or you could add both. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Be sure to hit like so we know if we should do more like this, and subscribe to our channel for more drawings. See you next time.